Okay, welcome back to the channel. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed. So let's take a look at AUD USD for the next day, which is for the 16th. Right. So first, you can see that this AUD USD has given us a drop. So we would want to know the movement for the next day. One thing I am watching out for on AUD USD is kind of like a bullish move. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So if you are to take a look at this 4-hour time frame, you can see that I've highlighted this level here. You can see we've once gotten a rejection at this same level. You can see when price came to the same level, we had a drop from that level. Same thing happened to this level. Price came to the same level. We had a rejection, thereby price dropped. When price actually broke above this level, we had a pullback to test the same level. So basically, this is also a key level. Same thing with here, price rejected from this same level. It is a key level we are not to ignore, or we should actually watch out for. So this is a key level again. Price came to the same level. We had the rejection. Now price is at this same level. So of course, what do you expect? We expect price to actually, reject from this level. Thereby, we need to actually go bullish. So this is what to be watching out for. At least let's see if we can make about 50 to 60 pips bullish move before AUD USD will continue to drop. But at first, if you are watching this, you have to go long. Maybe take your buy on AUD USD, grab about 50 to 60 pips and opt out of this. If price continues to go up, then if price continues to go bullish, if you want to stay with the trade, it is up to you. And if price continues to drop and you want to sell it, it is up to you. But right now, I think we should aim about 50 to 60% pips. Right, that is what we'll be watching out for AUD. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe to our Patreon channel, right, make sure you actually do that. You can see the trade we actually took for today, which is natural gas for the 15. We actually to sell to a level of 2.460. Right now, we've actually achieved 70% of our goal, right? We've made about 70% of our profits that we are aiming to grab. Natural gas gave us that drop. Yesterday, which was on Tuesday, I actually did not give out any trade due to CPI updates. A lot of liquidity tends to play out, right? This is one of the reasons why I actually, stayed out of the trade, no giving out of any trade. So we are to preserve our capital. So most of us actually stayed out of this trade. So our capital is still with us. The trade we also took on Monday was natural Nasdaq 100. I'm going to pin, the video in this video. I'm going to pin the video in the channel. Once you click on the channel, you will see the video. The trade we actually took, we got to our targets. We actually made what we were looking for. And the trade for the week is USD Singapore dollar. We've also gotten to that target. Basically, I'm going to create a playlist for the trade we actually take this week, so you can go there to confirm. And now I have another trade that I'll be putting out trade that we are very much likely to win that trade for the next day, which is for the 16th. If in case you are interested in taking that trade, like I said, the high probability trade. If in case you are interested in taking that trade, all you just have to do, check the comment section below. I'm going to put a link. With just 20 USD, you are going to get better trade instead of taking trade, blowing your accounts multiple times. Why don't you just subscribe to us? Get better trade that you wait. You can see this is our proof that these are trade are working. You can see USD Singapore dollar, we got into it. Nasdaq 100, we got to it. CPI only, we did actually not take it to preserve our capital. For today, which is natural gas, we've gotten to it. We've got close to our level. Now we'll be looking at another one for tomorrow, which is for the 16th. So if in case you're interested in that, subscribe, become one of our Patreon subscribers.